This is the OrthoHeal Flexi-OH, an orthopedic cast or immobilizer that has the rigidity to hold the fractured part, like a conventional cast, but ensures proper skin ventilation and hygiene. Flexi-OH is breathable, washable, odorless, and promotes skin health, whereas conventional casts can irritate the skin and cause itchy rashes, etc. The proper ventilation to the skin prevents skin infections. It's lightweight, which ensures day-to-day activities are done with ease. It's also waterproof, which facilitates the washing of the fractured part, without any damage to the cast or skin. The Flexi-OH orthopedic casts consist of a short or full arm immobilizer, a thumb spica immobilizer, a short leg immobilizer, and a splint or slab. Once the Flexi-OH is placed and zipped on the fractured area, a light treatment completes the curing process and makes the Flexi-OH rigid. This quick and seamless process takes only 3 to 10 minutes depending on the size. The light treatment is performed using the OrthoHeal ResiCure, a handheld light system with high intensity uniform blue light, which gives deep and smooth curing. At the culmination of the therapy, the zip system makes it easy to remove the immobilizer without the use of a harsh cast cutter or spreader. The foam which is in contact with the skin is biocompatible with ISO 10993-10 certification and provides cushioning against a hardened polymer. This prevents skin irritations and infections. The materials used in these immobilizers are absolutely latex-free, non-allergic, and non-sensitizer. The Flexi-OH immobilizer is designed in such a way that the intermittent hollow spaces facilitate circulation of air and the evaporation of sweat or water from the skin surface. Radiolucency of the Flexi-OH short arm cast shows that it does not interfere with radiological imaging and diagnosis. This brings us to the conclusion that Flexi-OH is safer than conventional casts without serious side effects. That's all for today, and if it's your first time here, please follow or subscribe. I'll see you again very soon.